Yung lamig yung cake. Moist cake. Lami ra pod. Moist cake siya, pero mas lami gapon si Magnolia Bakery. Pero okay naman po siya. Nasa mga 7 out of 10. The frosting is buttery. And it's quite thick.
Wow, kayo maganda na siya nyo.
Oh.
Oh? Ay, caramel pecan.
Oh.
Caramel pecan na nyo. Ay, ba? Isang slice ito.
This is my favorite chocolate cake here in Qatar. This is from Magnolia Bakery. And I really like this one. I like the texture of the cake. It's not so moist. It's also not dry. And the sweetness of the frosting is just perfect for my liking. Nami kayo. I really like this. And it does not have the taste of baking soda. Okay ra. Ugahon. Medyo dry. Dira po kasi tamis. Bungkagon. Nga naidami nga katong di na ko ganahan. Pero di kaayo siya overwhelming nga sodium bicarbonate. 5/10. Tabangon, kuan lang. 4.5/10.